Hello everyone, Christina here, your tech director. It is time for our quick command tip video of the week. So today I'm going to teach you how you can schedule posts for social media through command. When you're in command, we're going to go down to campaigns, which is this megaphone right here on the left. And then once this loads, we're going to click on social posts right here at the top. This is going to bring us to the area in command where we can actually schedule out posts. Now, what's really cool is this new feature where you can schedule these quick posts that are already created for you. So it's got the image there, it's got the text there. All you have to do is share it, okay? So what you're going to do is scroll down and you'll see social posts and you'll see the word shuffle here. What that means is you can look at these two options, and if you don't really like one of these for today's post, you could click shuffle and it's going to show you a few more options here. All right, so now that we are in this screen, we're going to scroll down and find the one that you would like to share. And like I said, if you don't like any of these, you can click shuffle until it pulls one up. All right, and let's say we want to share this one. We're going to click this little arrow, and then that will bring up the post. Okay, so you'll see all of it's already typed out here. If you want to add any hashtags or anything, you can do that here. And then you can scroll down, and we already have the image in here because that's how it was built in command. And then we already have our DBA logo, which is the KW logo, which you'll see down here on the left side of the ad, over here on the right side. And then right here is the option, when would you like to schedule the post? You can schedule it or publish it immediately. So I'm going to schedule this one. And so we can choose our time and what day we wanted to post. I'm going to do Friday, and I'm going to keep it at 10 a.m. Okay. And then right here, it's going to post to my realtor page. So that is everything that we have to do. So all I've got to do now is click schedule post and schedule post. There you go. That's how easy that is, okay? Now, if you're wanting to create a post that you actually type yourself, what you would do is go up to create a new campaign and social post. That will bring up, let me reconnect this. It's having an issue connecting this today. So you will pull this up. And then right here is where you can type your text. Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. Whatever you want to type here. Okay, etc. And then you can upload an image. Let's say you built a flyer on Canva, or maybe you just have some pictures of a house that you want to add in here. You could click upload images, or if you have a design that you created in designs, you would click choose from designs and then browse your design library. Once again, you just click here, find the file to attach. It already has your logo here. And then down here, once again, you can schedule it or publish immediately, okay? So this is how you schedule or post through command onto your Facebook page, and it really saves you time, okay? If y'all have any questions, let me know. I'm always here to help you. Have a great day.